Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Equations with Fractions worksheet. So this video gives you a worksheet on solving equations with fractions. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. Just go to the last slide, click on the link that's provided. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which gives you the answers. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So this gives you the answers, and you can now check how you went. I'll leave this on for about a minute or so, and then I'll move on to the final slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.